1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are we on the air?
To bring the pain, hardcore to the brain. Ooh, baby, what's your name? I love the way you spit in the game. You made me change from making all guys the same. You the type of guy I wanna marry in months. Got exactly what I want. And ain't no faking the phone. Your attitude is funk and you're making me cry. Yes, it's real, baby. Yeah,
oh, Cornelia!
Won't be sorry, my poppy, I'm your mommy. I'm in your life to come and let you explore, take you on a tour. The kind of guys that be talking that noise is the reason I ignore. And you the one I wanna take to meet mom. Is a rap superstar. I wanna be the one you like.
All right, dómarar, hver fer áfram í finals á 3, 2, 1. Það er Cornelia, til hamingju Emma með flott band. Þá eru það Júlia og Halldóra sem takast á í næsta. Og eftir þetta þá förum við beint í finals. Þið veitir reglunar, tónlistin spilast og önnur hver fer. Let's go!
Now clap for me, mommy. Up. Just clap for me, mommy. Up.
Just blaze.
Okay, yeah, free, okay. Yeah, Wale. That tú quieres mujeres, she said she blow la la. Flip side. Now she my baby mama. Get wild. Okay.
Freeway got the hood on smash, pop and take, step on gas and get ghost, nigga. Freeway got the club on lock, step on stage, shut it down, leave with a brawl, check for an edge, post up, fans over circle the block, call the cops, it's the rock in your area. Post up, distribute to the block, freeway, move the rocks in your area. Yeah, cops trying to shut me down, cops trying to shut me down, haters wanna hit me up, but my Glock carry heavy rounds, Mac carry heavy rounds, packed in a Chevy truck. What? You better ring the alarm before I cock back, dump on you and your boys that have black shoes tucked on you and your mom. But back to the song, sis wanna suck on me and the boys. Her ass look good in a thong, and she want me to sneak in a building like Trojan and Troy. Best believe it's Trojans involved. Hat slipped over the boy, oh boy, we rip crowds. Whole lot of volume and a little bit of bass. It's all it takes to make the place hit wild.
Dómarar, hver fer áfram í final á 3, 2, 1. Það er Halldóra, let's go! Og við köllum upp Corneliu. Við förum beint í finals og af því að Halldóra var að dansa, þá byrja Cornelia núna. Erum við tilbúin í finals, í one-on-one, Rookie Hip Hop!
Hey, yo, Jacal.
What up, fam?
You know Buzz had to come see you guys. It's good to see you guys.
Good to see you too.
Let's take the streets for a little ride.
Okay, we riding high.
Yeah, you better light your L, smoke your L, and just
kiss the sky.
And if you act for disrespect, bust some F.
Why that man die?
Yeah, I think the streets been looking for this one for a long time, guys.
Yeah.
Come on.
I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain. I'm busting that ass again. I burn like acid rain, that acid flame. These niggas trying to see how I come ash your game. Ain't it evident I'm letting in?
Yes.
Met for president, be in hell with gasoline George just for the hell of it. And I ain't delicate, flows hot, this kettle get napped. You ain't fucking with that, you must be celibate.
Halldóra!
We can sizzle a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yup. Mommy, if you got a fat ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video shot by Little X. Sending me up, gon' work till there ain't any left. I'm trying to get what I'm worth and not a penny less. Ain't bad. Come on. Bank cash. Come on. Everybody do it with your stank ass. Make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody. Make you wanna step to the bar, sip Bacardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on. Shaolin, come on. Queensbridge down to Long Island, come on. Bronx, Manhattan, come on. Each and every hood was happening. Come on.
Sigurvegari í Rookie Hip Hop 2025. Dómarar á 3, 2, 1.
I'm on the one that my bitches slap you. I invite you when your niggas to try.
Til hamingju með Flatback, Cornelia og